Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to record screen on Flipgrid. You can easily record your screen on Flipgrid if you are a student or an educator. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how to do it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Click open your web browser and log into your Flipgrid account, or simply open up your Flipgrid application or log into your account. Once you're in, go and click on any topic and go to camera screen. Since I'm doing it with my educator account, let me click on three dots at the top right and click on record response. Once you're into camera screen, in order to record a screen, go and click on the options tab. Now from the expanded menu, click on record screen, pick up your camera from the drop down and pick up your microphone. After you're done, click on Start Screen Recording. Now you can select an entire screen in order to record. After that, click on Share. Wait for the countdown to begin. And now your screen recording has begun. Simply keep this window open, select a new tab, simply record as student notes. After you're done with your screen recording, click on the next box in the bottom right, finish the rest of the process in order to submit your video and click on Submit. Click Done and you have successfully recorded a screen on Flipgrid. With this function, students can record their presentations, whether they would like to create a presentation on Google Slides, PowerPoints, or something else. They can record, narrate, and submit to Flipgrid. Similarly, the educators can also record their screen and submit to their students as well. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.